everybody and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be making calamari with peas, which I love. And I have to tell you something. When I was cleaning one of the calamari, I found this fish in it. Anyway, the first ingredients is 5 calamari, 2 cloves of garlic, 20 grams of parsley, some salt, and 500 grams of peas. Now what I have done, I have got the calamari and I have cleaned them very well inside, so then it is clear and there is nothing in. Then I have cut the calamari into rows of 3 centimeters, so basically this long. I have chopped the parsley and the garlic. I have got a big pan and I have put extra virgin oil at the bottom. And now I can get the calamari and I can put them even put a bit of salt in. And we leave it to cook until the calamari become golden and we mix. If it becomes too dry, you can add a bit of water while it is cooking. Finally finished our wonderful plate. I really hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!